Advanced features in MS Excel. MS Excel is the most powerful spreadsheet program. Excel can be used to work with numbers. Whenever you use numbers for calculating tax, maintaining budget, evaluating expenses and expenditure, Excel makes your work easier, quicker and more accurate. Excel can be used as a database for entering and sorting records. Data you enter in a worksheet stored in a file called workbook. Within each workbook, you can add numerous worksheets to hold your data. These are the topics which we are going to see about. First is how to start MS Excel, formula and function, entering formula, editing a formula, using average, min, max functions, calculating loan terms, optimizing the result with goal seek, finding square root and adding conditional sum. How to start MS Excel? Click on the Start button, go to Microsoft Office, then click Microsoft Excel. This is the Microsoft Excel window. Now we are going to see how to enter a formula. Okay, in this worksheet we have entered all the data and now we are going to see how to enter a formula. Before that, let's see what is formula and function. A formula and function are used to perform calculation. A formula is a sequence of cell reference, mathematical function or operators that gives a new value from the existing value. A formula consists of an equal to sign, one or more functions, their arguments, operators such as plus, minus, multiplication, division. A function is a built-in formula, which means it has a ready-made formula to perform calculation. More than 300 functions are available in MS Excel that enable you to perform tasks of every kind, from adding numbers to special purpose financial calculation. To enter a formula, double click on the cell where you need to enter a formula. You can see the insertion point. First click equal to, then click on the cell reference. Click on the cell. You can see the cell reference on the cell where you want to provide the result. Now click the operator plus. Again cell reference plus. Click on the cell. You can see the cell reference. Click plus. Click on the cell plus. Again cell. You can see the cell reference here. Now click enter. Now we got the result. After getting the result, you can use autofill. The autofill automatically fills the result for the entire rows. Now, how to edit a formula? If you want to edit any formula, double click on the cell so that the formula will be displayed. Now, you can place the mouse pointer over the operator or on the cell reference. You can use backspace or delete key to do the changes. This is how you can edit a formula. Next we are going to see how to use average function. The average function is used to find out the average value from the range of numbers. Double click on the cell, click equal to, type AV. Once when you type AV, it will display all the functions starts with AV. Click on average. You can see one open bracket. Now select the range, close the bracket. Okay. Now inside the parenthesis, that is inside the bracket, you can see the range of numbers inside the parenthesis. Now click enter button. This is the average for this range. Using max function to find out the highest value among the set of numbers, the max function is used. Double click on the cell where you want to find out the maximum value. Click equal to, go to formulas tab, insert function, click maximum. You can see the function argument dialog box of the insert function. Here in the number 1, click backspace and select your range. Now click OK. This is the maximum value in this range. Next is minimum value. To find out the minimum value, double click on the cell, click equal to, click the drop down arrow of auto sum, click min. Now select the range and click enter. This is the minimum value in this range. Next is calculating loan terms. When buying a home or a car by taking loan from bank, you can use PMT function to compare the loan terms and make an objective decision such as how much amount is to be paid monthly. Here we have entered 2 lakhs as the principal, 5% as interest, 60 as number of months, 60 months, that is 5 years. Now monthly payment we are going to find out. Double click on the cell, go to insert function, select PMT. In the rate, select the rate. Once when you click here, you can see the cell reference displayed here. Divide this with 12. NPER. NPER, the full form is number of periods. Click the blank. Now select the number of months. Here you can see the cell reference of this. PV, full form is present value. Click the principal value. Now click OK. This is the monthly payment. Next one is optimizing a result with GoalSeek. GoalSeek feature shows how to reach your goal by adjusting one of the loan terms. Click on the data, select what if analysis, go to GoalSeek, select the cell. Here type 3000. Here select the interest, click OK. Now the monthly payment to be paid is 3000. Finding square root. To find out the square root, double click on the cell where you need to find out the square root, click equal to, type SQ, select SQRT. Here type the number to which you want to find out the square root, close the bracket and click enter. Now you can see the result. double click, click equal to, type SQ, select the SQRT function, inside the opening bracket, type the number, close the bracket and click enter. The result will be produced. Add in conditional sum. Conditional sum is used to add particular numbers in a field if conditions applied to them are fulfilled. For this, we are going to use a function called SUMIF. Here, only for the laptop computer value we are going to find out here, and next, among all these prices, we are going to find out only the price of scanner. First, to find out the price of all the laptop computer, double click on the cell, click equal to, go to insert function, select SUMIF, and in the range select the full column. Now criteria, click laptop, sum range, select all the prices, click OK. Now this is the total price of all the laptop computer given in this list. Scanner, double click, equal to, insert function, SUMIF, select the range, criteria, scanner, sum range, select the price. OK. This will calculate only the price of scanner. Desktop computer, double click equal to, insert function, select the range, criteria, desktop computer, sum range, price. This will calculate the price of all the desktop computers. Laser printer, click equal to, go to insert function, click on SUMIF, in the range select the full range, criteria, laser printer, sum range, select the price, click OK. This will calculate the price of all the laser printers.